Okay guys, 1 o'clock. It might be late too, but we're gonna go over there and get a video. I'm gonna probably stand right here until it goes off, and then I'll go catch it. Once it starts blaring, I'll go catch it. I'm trying to stay over here. Should be going off anytime. Once I hear it, should be going off anytime. It's right there, I don't know if you can see it, but it will be going off. Because this is a tornado drill they're having. Oh, there's a lady churning over here. Okay, she's in the car, that's good. Stacking up. Let's go back. We should do it a many times now. Might be 105 because over they're light. I don't know why they do it so light sometimes. The talking ones will probably sound first. When the talking ones start, I'll know it's coming. That guy's looking at me too. Kind of nervous about doing this. I hear a choo-choo train. Oh, they're light. That's to be expected though. I'm trying to hear for the talking ones. Is that it? If I hear it? Hang on, I hear something. I think I hear the talking ones. Wait now. Oh, I did. Please do not disappoint me. And I came out here for nothing. I'm trying to stay away from people because 102, let me go this way. I'm just gonna go by Wednesday, I don't really care. Just come this way. Hope that doesn't disappoint me. Please do not disappoint me. They're light most of the time too. I gotta record this. This is gonna be epic. Oh, don't go off. I'm getting next to you though. Don't scare the crap out of me. You're gonna be loud, I can tell you that. It's 103. Go this way. I hope they're doing it. Do I hear it now? Well, they come light sometimes, so I expect that. Whew, it's warm. It's actually 70 degrees out today. .104, they do it over at this late time. Just gonna go this way. I hope they don't cancel it. They said the sirens are gonna sound today, so we're just gonna go this way. Once it goes off, we'll go back. They're usually 105. Hope you're not gonna disappoint me. $105. Don't tell me they're not doing them. Please tell me they're doing them. It's not gonna be canceled. I think I hear something. I keep thinking I'm hearing the voice. Oh no, don't tell me they're not doing them. Why the heck wouldn't they be doing them? They said tornado drill today. Severe weather awareness. Somebody heard. 106. Oh, great. Wonderful. Well, if they don't do it by 110, I'm taking off. Starting to get mad now. The car's coming. Let's just go. Dang it, 107. Why aren't they doing them? Watch, I'll get halfway down the road and it'll go off. This is ridiculous. I'm staying to 110, I'm going. Hear anything? Oh. Dang it. I'm not doing them, guys. This has to be a joke. Well, they've been late before, but I'll probably go back there one more time. If I'm not doing it by then, I'm going home. Go home in disappointment. Can't believe they're not sounding them. I'm like, yeah, I think they failed us, folks. Go back there one more time. That might be... Hello. Give it a minute. If they don't go off by a minute, I'm gone. This is ridiculous. Unless they're delayed. I'll be back.